Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you are in a private browsing session and why that matters. Private mode isolates history and cookies. Once you see the incognito or private label, check for any unsaved work and bookmark or copy links you need. Make sure to note which browser and device you're using because the closing steps vary slightly. Now locate the tab overview or menu button. That's the first actionable step to exit private mode without losing important pages. Next, close private browsing windows or switch into a normal window so your session returns to standard tracking and saved history. On desktop, use the window menu or the tab X to close each private window. On mobile, open the tab overview and close private tabs or choose a regular tab. Once done, open a new standard window from the browser menu if none exist. This ensures cookies and history begin updating again and prevents accidental continuation. Finally, verify you are out of private mode by looking for the usual browser Chrome and the absence of private labels. Open a page and check history is recording. If you still land in private mode, restart the browser or device to clear lingering private sessions and make sure you didn't set a shortcut to always open privacy windows. If the problem persists, update or reinstall the browser or reset settings, but back up bookmarks and logins first to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.